Sum number 11. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1. X minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2. 3y minus 5z equal to 9. So this is the question. So in this question we can see that here 1 3 by 2 9 is presented. This 3 by 2 is a fraction. Okay. So we have to convert this equation. 3 divided by 2. So when the 2 goes to the left hand side, we get 2 into x minus 2y minus z equal to 3. So this implies 2x minus 4y minus 2z equal to 3. Now the three sets of equations are solution. The three set of equations are 2x plus y plus z equal to 1. The next one is 2x minus 4y minus 2z equal to 3. The next thing is 3y minus 5z equal to 9. Now we can write the given system in the form of ax is equal to b. So we can write in the form of ax is equal to b. So ax. So what is ax? A value is 2, 1, 1. Here the coefficients are 2, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2. Here x coefficient is 0. That is, there is no x. So we are substituting 0. 3 minus 5 into x. X value will be x, y, z equal to b. B value is 1, 3, 9. Is it clear? Ax is equal to b. The next thing is we have to find the determinant of a. So determinant of a is equal to determinant of 2, 1, 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 5. So this is equal to, while expanding we get 2 into, when I hide the first row and first column we get 20 plus 3 2s are 6. Next minus 1 into, when I hide the second column and first row we get minus 10 plus 0. The next one is plus 1 into, when I hide the first row and third column we get 2 3s are 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. So this is equal to 2 into 26 minus 1 into minus 10 plus 6. So 2 6 are 12, 52. So 2 into 26 gives us 52 plus 10 plus 6. So this gives 68. So this 68 is not equal to 0. That is, determinant of A is not equal to 0. That is, determinant of A is not equal to 0. So this implies A is a non-singular matrix. A is non-singular matrix, and we can say that A inverse exists. So the formula for A inverse is 1 divided by determinant A into adjoint of A. So now we have to find out the adjoint. So the cofactor. Okay, let us find the adjoint. So the cofactor of A11. So A11, when I hide the first row and first column, we get minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 5. So this is 1 plus 1 is 2. It is even number. So we will get positive sign. So 4 5s are 20 plus 3 2s are 6. So this gives us 26. Next one, A12. A12 is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. It is an odd number. So put a negative sign. So hide the first row and second column. So we get 2 minus 2, 0 minus 5. So 2 minus 2, 0 minus 5. So this is equal to minus of 2 into minus 5 minus 10. This value will be 0. So this is equal to 10. The next one, A13. So 1 plus 3 is 4. It is an even number. So it is positive value. So hide the first row and third column. So first row, third column, we get 2 minus 4, 0, 3. 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, 0, 3. So this is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 0 gives us 6. Next one, A21. A21, 2 plus 1 is 3. It is an odd number. So we will get a negative sign. So hide the second row and first column we get 1 1 3 minus 5. 1 1 3 minus 5. So this is equal to minus of minus 5 minus 3. So this is equal to minus 8. So it is plus 8. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 8. The next one is A22. A22 is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. Even number. So we will get positive value. So hide the second row and second column. We get 2 1 0 minus 5. 2 1 0 minus 5. So this is equal to 2 into minus 5 gives us minus 10. This value will be 0. Next one A23. 2 plus 3 is 5. It is an odd number. So put a negative sign. Hide the second row and third column. So hide the second row, third column. We get 2 1 0 3. 2 1 0 3. So this is equal to minus of 6 minus 0 gives us minus 6. Next one A31. 3 plus 1 is 4. Even number. So we will get positive value. Hide the third row and first column. So third row, first column. When I hide the third row and first column, we get 1 1 minus 4 minus 2. 1 1 minus 4 minus 2. So this is equal to minus 2 plus 4. This is equal to 2. Next one A32. So 3 plus 2 is 5. It is an odd number. So we will get a negative sign. Hide the third row and second column. Hide the third row and second column. We get 2 1 2 minus 2. 2 1 2 minus 2. So this is equal to minus of minus 4 minus 2. So minus 6 minus. So this gives plus 6. Next one A33. 3 plus 3 is 6. It is an even number. So hide the third row and third column. Hide the third row and third column. We get 2 1 2 minus 4. 2 1 2 minus 4. So this is equal to minus 8 minus 2. This gives us minus 10. Okay. So now let us apply all the values. Adjoint of A is equal to the matrix. A11 value is 26. A12 value is 10. A13 6. A21 8. Next A22 minus 10. A23 minus 6. A31 2. A32 6. A33 minus 10. The whole transpose. So this is equal to the first row will become first column. So 26, 10, 6, 8. Second row will become second column. 8 minus 6 minus 10. Sorry, 8 minus 10 minus 6. Third row will become third column. 2, 6 minus 10. So we found out the adjoint of A. Now A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A. So what is the determinant A value? Here it is. Determinant A is 68. So 68 into adjoint of A. 26, 8, 2, 10 minus 10, 6, 6 minus 6 minus 10. Okay. So here we obtained the determinant A. Why we found out A inverse? A is non-singular matrix. So what can we say about the consistency? The consistency is it is consistent with unique solution. With unique solution given by X is equal to A inverse B. So in order to find the A inverse, we found out, in order to find the A inverse, we found out the adjoint of A is equal to A inverse B. So what is the value of X? X is nothing but X, Y, Z. Because this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, so we will get 3 variables X, Y and Z. A inverse is 1 by 68, 26, 8, 2, 10 minus 10, 6, 6 minus 6 minus 10 into B. What is the B value? B value is 139. 139. So this is equal to 1 divided by 68. Now first row, first column. So we get 26 plus 8 3s are 24 plus 2 9s are 18. Second row first column 10 minus 30 plus 18. Third row first column. So we get 6 minus 18 minus 90. So this is equal to 1 divided by 68. 26 plus 24 plus 18. So this gives us 68. 10 minus 30 plus 18. 34. 6 minus 18 minus 90 gives us minus 102. So now let us divide by 68. We get 1. 34 divided by 68. 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 17 1s are, 17 2s are. 1 by 2. The next one cancel with 32 tables. 32 2s are, 32 3s are. Minus 3 by 2. So the answer for x is equal to, that is here we have x, y, z. So the value of x is 1. The value of x is 1, y is 1 by 2, z is equal to minus 3 by 2. Question என்னன்னா 2x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 2, 3y minus 5z equal to 9 இருக்கு. ஸோ இப்போ இதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனும் தேர்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நார்மல் லீனியரில் தான் இருக்குது. செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனில் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் 3 by 2 இருக்குது. ஸோ 3 by 2 ஃப்ராக்ஷன் இந்த 2 இந்த சைடில் வந்துருச்சுன்னா, அதாவது லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் வந்துருச்சுன்னா we get 2 into x minus 2y minus z. So equal to 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So 2x minus 4y minus 2z equal to 3. இப்போ நார்மல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸாக 3 மாறிடுச்சு. இப்போ ax is equal to b ஃபார்மேட்க்கு எழுதுறோம். ஸோ a உடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ஸ், அதாவது இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸில் இருக்கிற இந்த லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸில் இருக்க ஒவ்வொரு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ஸ் x y z உடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ஸ் ax equal to b. bன்றது இந்த ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் இருக்கிற வேல்யூஸ் 1 3 9. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டிட்டர்மினன்ட் a ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறோம். 68 வருது, இட் இஸ் நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு 0. அப்போ a இன்வர்ஸ் எக்ஸிஸ்ட் ஆகுது வித் யூனிக் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் த சிஸ்டம் இஸ் கன்சிஸ்டன்ட் வித் யூனிக் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் given by x is equal to a inverse b. ஸோ a inverse b அப்படின்னு வரும்போது நம்ம a inverse ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணோம். a inverse எப்படி calculate பண்ணோம்னா 1 divided by determinant a into adjoint of a. ஸோ determinant a ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டோம், இது 68னு. நெக்ஸ்ட் adjoint of a மட்டும் calculate பண்ணணும். ஸோ adjoint of a க்கு ஒவ்வொரு கோஃபேக்டர்ஸ் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறோம். a11 a12 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33 ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறோம். adjoint of a சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிட்டு டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் எடுக்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ adjoint of a எப்படி கோஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதோட டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் எடுத்தால் தான் நமக்கு adjoint கிடைக்கும். இப்போ a inverse உடைய வேல்யூ 1 divided by determinant of a into a inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of a into adjoint of a. இது எழுதியாச்சு. இப்போ நம்ம x is equal to சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் எடுக்கிறோம். x is equal to a inverse b. x அப்படிங்கிறது xyz equal to a inverse. a inverseங்கிறது இந்த வேல்யூ இன்டூ பி. ஸோ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு 68 34 minus 102 இன்டூ 1 by 68. இப்போ இந்த 68 நம்ம ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி டேர்ம் கூட நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணுறோம். 68 கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். 34 1s are, 34 2s are. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இது வந்து 34 டேபிள்ஸ்லேயே நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம். 34 3s are, 34 2s are. minus 102 divided by 68. இதை கேன்சல் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு minus 3 by 2. So x உடைய வேல்யூ 1, y உடைய வேல்யூ 1 by 2, z உடைய வேல்யூ minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Sum number 12. X minus y plus z is equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. So first of all, let us write the given system. Solution. The given system can be written as ax is equal to b. Okay, so what is a? A is equal to all the coefficients of x, y, z. 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1 into x value. What is the x value? X value is nothing but x, y, z. What is the value of b? B is equal to 402. 402. Now we can write in the form of ax is equal to b. So this implies what is a? A value is 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1 into x value is x, y, z into b value equal to b value is 402. Now the very first thing is we have to find out the determinant in order to find out what type of consistency. So let us find the determinant of A. So determinant of 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. So this is equal to 1 into, when I hide the first row and first column, we get 1 minus of minus 3. So this becomes plus 3 plus 1 into, hide the second column and first row, we get a 2 plus 3 plus 1 into, hide the first row and third column, 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 into 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4 plus 5 plus 1. So the value will be 10. So this 10 is not equal to 0. Okay, the 10 is not equal to 0. So we found out that determinant A is not equal to 0. Then what can we say about the matrix A? Matrix A will be a non-singular matrix. So thus A is non-singular matrix and A inverse exists. A inverse exists. So the given system is consistent with unique solution. The given system is consistent with unique solution given by x is equal to A inverse B. Okay, so x is equal to A inverse B. Now we have to find out what is A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A into adjoint of A. So we know that determinant A value is 10. We have to find out the adjoint. So let us find the adjoint. So actually the matrix A is 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. So now the cofactor. The cofactor of A11. So 1 plus 1 is 2. It is an even number. So we will get positive value. Hide the first row and first column. So 1 minus 3 1 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 3 into 1 gives us minus 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Next one A12. 1 plus 2 is 3, odd number, so negative sign. Hide the first row and second column. First row, second column, we get 2 minus 3 1 1. 2 minus 3 1 1. So this is equal to minus of 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 minus 5. Next one A13. 1 plus 3 is 4, even number, so it will be positive. First row and third column, 2 1 1 1. 2 1 1 1. So this is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Next one A21. 2 plus 1 is 3. It is an odd number, so we will get a negative sign. So second row, first column, minus 1 1 1 1. So this is equal to minus of minus 1 minus 1. So this is equal to minus 2 into 2 gives us plus 2. Next one A22. 2 plus 2 is 4. It is an even number, so positive value. Hide the second row and second column. We get 1 1 1 1. 1 1 1 1. So 1 minus 1 gives us 0. Next A23. 2 plus 3 is 5, odd number, so negative sign. Hide the second row and third column. Second row, third column. 1 minus 1 1 1. 1 minus 1 1 1. So this is equal to minus of 1 plus 1, which is equal to minus 2. Next A31. 3 plus 1 is 4, even number, so positive value. Hide the third row and first column. Minus 1 1 1 minus 3. Minus 1 1 1 minus 3. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. The next one is A32. A32, 3 plus 2 is 5. Odd number, so negative value. So hide the third row, second column. We get 1, 1, 2 minus 3. 1, 1, 2 minus 3. So this is equal to minus of minus 3 minus 2. So minus 5. So it is plus 5. Next A33. Hide the third row and third column. We get 3 plus 3 is 6. It is an even number. So positive value. And I hide the third row and third column. We get 1 minus 1. 2, 1. So 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. So adjoint of A is equal to all the values. A11 is 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3 the whole transpose. So this is equal to the first row will become first column and the second row will become second column, third row will become third column. So 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. Now A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A. What is the determinant A value? We found out determinant A as 10. 10 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A value is 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. So we found out A inverse. Next thing is we have to find out what is the value of X. So X is equal to A inverse B. So what is the value of X? X is nothing but XYZ equal to A inverse. So 1 by 10 into 4, 2, 2, 5, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3 into B. B value will be, what is the B value? B value is 402. 402. So this implies, so we have to multiply that two matrices XYZ is equal to 1 by 10. First row, first column. 16 plus 0 plus 4. Second row, first column. Minus 20 plus 0 plus 10. Next third row, first column. 4 plus 0 plus 6. So this is equal to 1 by 10 of 20 minus 10 plus 10 minus 10, 6 plus 4, 10. So when I divide each and every entries by 10, we get 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer for, therefore, X is equal to 2, Y is equal to minus 1, Z is equal to 1. So these are the solutions. So கொடுத்திருக்கிற question என்னன்னா x minus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2 னு இருக்கு. So given system ax equal to b formatல நம்ம எழுதுறோம். So first ax equal to b formatல எழுதிட்டோம். Next வந்து as usual determinant find out பண்ணுவோம். So determinant find out பண்ணும்போது இங்க நமக்கு 10 கிடைக்குது. It is not equal to 0. So அப்போ A is non-singular matrix. அதே மாதிரி solution நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? Solution வந்து it is consistent with unique solution given by x is equal to A inverse B. So A inverse நம்ம எப்படி calculate பண்ணுவோம்? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A into adjoint of A. இப்போ first determinant A நமக்கு தெரியும், adjoint of A calculate பண்ணணும். So அதுக்கு நம்ம matrix A வை நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அதோடைய cofactors, each and every cofactors நம்ம find out பண்ணிடுவோம். So எல்லா cofactors find out பண்ணிட்டு adjoint of A is equal to each and every cofactors the whole transpose is equal to first row first column ஆயிடும், second row second column ஆயிடும், third row third column ஆயிடும். So இப்போ next நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா A inverse எப்படி calculate பண்ணுவோம்? 1 divided by determinant A. So determinant A உடைய value 10, adjoint of A வை நம்ம எழுதிடுறோம். So இப்போ x உடைய value find out பண்ணோம். அதாவது x equal to A inverse B. xங்கிறது xyz equal to A inverseங்கிறது 1 by 10 1 by 10 of the matrix 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3 into B. B value வந்து 4 0 2. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸையும் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். So ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது we get xyz is equal to xyz is equal to 1 by 10 of the value. So இப்போ 16 plus 4 உடைய value 10 minus 20 plus 10 minus 10 6 plus 4 10. So 10 நால நம்ம divide பண்றோம். அப்போ x உடைய value 2, y உடைய value minus 1, z உடைய value 1 is the answer.